Good afternoon. My name is Luis Manuel. My name is Luis Manuel Suarez Torres. According to the process that has been carried out in the activity, the innovation that is processed, the innovation that is proposed with mid venture, manufacturation, manufactured, manufacture of products, furniture, and service installation that provides comfort and design that they adapt to the client's needs. The common approach, the common approach, the common approach method since we are starting with it allowed us to on the current values of future income. Income. It is an analysis project project on the present values of the project, which allows us to come the lump sum of personnel of the enterprise. This approach will help us to come the possible results that we will obtain. Consideration the above and convince my project, the evaluation method that best fits is the common approach. I present the select method in the Forges tablet. In the present the select method in the following tablet. Thanks to you. Thank you.